Hello everyone, this is your Lucky. Today I'm going to share Indo-Korean based fried rice. This is my all-time kids' favorite recipe I'm going to share today. Please let me know how you tried, how you liked it. This is your Lucky. Welcome to Henna Girl, guys. It's chopping time. Try to cut a big cabbage. I almost took 1/4 of cabbage. Try to make it very thin slice. I'm not a professional cutter, so I'm trying my best here. You can make it like a thin, big slice, but they should be like a chewable, biteable size. Try to separate them. And you need 1 carrot here. I'm trying to cut it very thin slice here. And my kids like the fried rice outside a couple of years back. I really wanted to make them happy by trying my own way. I tried this, not this exactly recipe, but I tried to make a good fried rice a couple of times. In fact, maybe I made like 30 to 40 times so far in my life to make them happy. Recently I got the perfection of this fried rice. Believe me, they eat almost like double of what they eat normally with this fried rice. This is very tasty. In fact, I mean, you should try it and let me know in your comments how you liked, how it turned out for you. These greens, you can get it from any Korean stores. These greens really adds value and adds a taste to the fried rice. These are called like Korean grass. In fact, you can get it from the Korean stores. Of sesame oil. If you don't have sesame oil, at least try to use some peanut oil. I'm adding 4 eggs, whole eggs. If you want a more richer taste, you can add 2 more eggs to this. Your flame is supposed to be on high all the time for this recipe from start to end. The secret here, you shouldn't feel the rawness of the egg, so make sure it's fried well. This take at least 2 to 3 minutes of time to get that deep fried taste of the egg. Some people might like a big chunks of the egg, so in that case don't try to mash them very well. Try to add very less salt than usual because we will be adding soya sauce later. This is homemade chili paste I make using the sesame seeds and red chili flakes, little tamarind. If you don't have this paste on handy, try to add any chili paste. Even if you don't add it, that's okay, but this is a very tasty ingredient I use every time for my fried rice or noodles. In fact, for the sandwiches also, it acts as a spread. Your stove should be high all the time. Try to make sure you're not burning it. You keep mixing it. The rawness of the eggs and the paste supposed to be dried out, so that is an indication of well cooked. I'm adding pepper here. This is just a black pepper, 1 tablespoon. I can add little bit more if you want spicy. Adding red chili flakes, like 1 tablespoon. Same here, like if you want more spicy, you can add a little bit more. This we don't have handy, just grind the red chilies. Now I'm adding cooked rice. This is not like previously like yesterday's rice or something. I just cooked it, but make sure it is at the room temperature. The rice should be not like a sticky rice. Normally I add little salt and ghee while cooking for this rice. It should be like a separated. I am adding 2 cups of rice. This recipe will give you at least 3 people can sufficiently eat. So I should say it's like 3 people serving recipe. Make sure your rice is separated well enough, so you keep mixing it until the rice separates. Those balls are supposed to be separated out. And also it helps frying the rice. And the other thing, you should have everything handy while preparing this fried rice. Please do like and comment like whatever you're thinking in the mind, like about the recipe, or if you want to know some different recipe you wanted to try, or if you want me to try any other recipe online, you see how it comes out. I'm happy to take that. But believe me guys, this recipe I tried so many times, at least like 30-40 times I tried so far to make my kids happy with this fried rice. Now adding veggies time. Try to add carrots in the beginning because it needs a little bit more time to cook. I tend to add more like 3/4 of veggies than rice, but this time for the recipe sake I'm adding 2 cups of rice and like 1 cup of vegetables. You can try same recipe even for noodles. It will make a magic. It will really work. Now I'm adding some fish sauce. I got this from Korean stores. You don't need much. And lightly salted soya sauce. And a few drops of rice vinegar. Don't try to add rice vinegar much. It spoils the taste also. It gives you that vague taste. So once you add the liquids, this is the final touch we are doing. Try to mix it very well. The whole secret of this recipe is rice, like how you cook your rice. They should not be like normally how you cook our white rice. You can try the same recipe using some brown rice. It really works well. I tried before, but for the recipe sake I'm using the white rice. These are the greens I'm adding, and also I added some moong dal sprouts. These doesn't need any cooking time at all. I switched off my stove by this time. The heat, whatever it has, it will really helps to cook out. The greens, they will cook within like 30-40 seconds of time. Thank you so much for watching, and please like to comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, guys.